እንደምን አላችሁ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው 12ኛ ክፍል የባዮሎጂ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 5 ነው። የዩኒት 5 ፓርት 3 እናያለን ለዛሬ። ዩኒት 5 ሂውማን ቦዲ ሲስተም ይላል። እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ በአጠቃላይ 160 ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ 160 ጥያቄዎች ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያገዙ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎችና ሌሎችም በርካታ ጥያቄዎች የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይሄኛው አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ምንድነው? በሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን እንዲሁም ደግሞ በየሰብጀክቱ ያሉትን ማለት ነው ከ9 እስከ 12 ያለውን የባዮሎጂ ለእያንዳንዱ የ9ኛ ክፍል የ10 የ11 እና የ12 የባዮሎጂ ትምህርትን እና ኬሚስትሪ ለእያንዳንዱ አንዳንድ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። የጥያቄና መልስ ማለት ነው። መጽሐፉ ጥያቄዎች አሉት። ጥያቄዎቹን መልስና ከነ ኤክስፕላኔሽን የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይሄን አጋዥ መጽሐፍ መግዛት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። አሁን ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሄድ። 61 which of the following best define drug addiction? A condition where a person takes a drug once and experiences its effects. B a compulsive need to use a drug despite harmful consequences. C the occasional use of a drug for social purposes. D the ability to stop using a drug at any time. Okay, B a compulsive need to use a drug despite harmful consequences. Okay, so drug addiction is characterized by compulsive drug seeking behavior ማለት ነው። ኦኬ and loss of control over use። ስለዚህ ለመጠቀም አለማቆምና ደግሞ ኦቨር ኮንትሮል መሆን ማለት ነው። and continue use despite negative consequences. 62 what neurotransmitter is most associated with addiction to nicotine? A serotonin, B dopamine, C acetylcholine, D epinephrine. Okay, B dopamine. Okay, so dopamine okay, nicotine stimulates the release of dopamine in the brain, okay, leading to pleasurable sensations and reinforcing the habit and making highly addictive. 63 which of the following is not a withdrawal symptoms of drug addiction? A depression, B increased appetite, C improved cognitive function, D fatigue. Okay, C improved cognitive function is not the withdrawal symptom of drug addiction ማለት ነው። 64 which drug acts as a stimulant and is commonly chewed in Ethiopia? A nicotine, B chaff, C cannabis, D alcohol. B ጫት የሚባለው ምንድነው? ሞስትሊ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያለና ስቲሙላንት ነው ተብሎ ይታሰባል። ድራግ ነው። ሶ ኢትዮጵያ ላይ ምንድነው ፕራክቲስ የሚደረግ ማለት ነው። 65 what is the primary psychoactive compound in cannabis responsible for its mind altering effects? A cathinone, B dopamine, C delta 9 tetrahydrocannabinol, D nicotine. Okay, see delta 9 tetrahydro cannabinol የሚባለው ምንድነው? This is the main psychoactive compound in cannabis የሚባለው responsible for its hallucinogenic and euphoric effects ይባላል። 66 which of the following is not a known effect of long-term nicotine use? A increased lung cancer risk, B high blood pressure, C improved lung function, D increased heart rate. Okay, C, improved lung function. It's not the effect of nicotine ማለት ነው። Okay. 67 how does alcohol affect the nervous system? A, it slows down brain function and impairs coordination. B, it increases neuron activity and enhances reflexes. C, it permanently increases intelligence. D, it stimulates the production of new neurons. Okay, A, it slows down brain function and impairs coordination. Okay, so alcohol is a depressant that affects the central nervous system, reducing brain function, slowing reaction times, and impairing conditions. 68 what part of the brain is most affected by long-term drug abuse? A, cerebellum. B, hippocampus. C, prefrontal cortex. D, medulla oblongata. C, prefrontal cortex. Okay, this prefrontal cortex responsible for decision making and impulse control is often damaged by prolonged drug abuses, leading to compulsive behaviors. 69 which of the following drug is illegal in Ethiopia? A, alcohol. B, tobacco. C, cannabis. D, chat. Okay, C, cannabis. Okay, this cannabis, while alcohol, tobacco, and chat are legal in Ethiopia, cannabis is illegal and used in punishable by law ማለት ነው። ይህንን ሲጠቀም የተገኘ ያው በህግ ያስቀጣል እንደማለት ነው። 70 which of the following best describes hallucinogens? A, drugs that cause vivid waking dreams and altered perceptions. B, drugs that slow down the central nervous system. C, drugs that stimulate brain activity and increase energy levels. D, drugs that relieve pain without affecting consciousness. A, drugs that cause vivid waking and dreams, altered perceptions. Okay, this is hallucinogens such as LSD and cannabis alter perceptions mood and thoughts, sometimes causing users to see or hear things that are not real ማለት ነው። ሪል ያልሆኑ ነገሮችን የማየት የመስማት አይነት እንትን ችግር እንትን ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ፐርሲቭ ያደርጋል ይሄኛው hallucinogens። 71 which harmful chemical is in cigarette smoke is primarily responsible for addiction? A, tar. B, nicotine. C, carbon monoxide. D, formaldehyde. B, nicotine. Okay, nicotine is addictive substance in cigarette that triggers dopamine release, leading to dependency. 72 how does the carbon monoxide in cigarette smoke affect the body? A, it improves oxygen recirculation in blood. B, it binds the hemoglobin, reducing oxygen transport. C, it strengthens lung tissues. D, it has no significant effect on human health. B, it binds hemoglobin, reducing oxygen transport. Okay, this is the carbon monoxide effect. Okay. 73. What is the primary function of the epidermis in the skin? A. To store fat for insulin. B. To produce sweat and regulate temperature. C. To provide a waterproof barrier and prevent pathogen entry. D. To house blood vessels and nerve endings. Okay, C. To provide a waterproof barrier and prevent pathogen entry. 74. Which type of protein is a main structural component of the skin, hair, and nail? A. Collagen. B. Elastin. C. Melanin. D. Keratin. D. Keratin. Keratin is a strong fibrous protein that makes up the outer layer of the skin, hair, and nails. And it provides the strength and protection. 75. What is the function of the melanocytes in the skin? A. To produce sweat and regulate temperature. B. To produce melanin and protect against UV radiation. C. To generate new skin cells and repair damage. D. To store fat for insulation. Okay, B. To produce melanin and protect against UV radiation. Okay, ይሄ ሜላኖሳይት ይባላል። 76. What structure anchors the front of the tongue to the floor of the mouth? A. Papillae. B. Frontal ligament. C. Frenum. D. Hyoid bone. Okay, C. Frenum. Okay, frenum. So the frenum is the tongue tissue that connects the front of the tongue to the mouth floor. 77. Which of the following is not one of the 5 primary taste sensations? A. Sweet. B. Spicy. C. Umami. D. Bitter. B. Spicy. Okay. The spicy is not a taste but a sensation caused by capsaicin. Okay, stimulate pain receptors in the tongue. 78. Where are taste receptors primarily located? A. Only at the tip of the tongue. B. Only on the sides of the tongue. C. Spread throughout the entire tongue and throat. D. Only in the papillae. Okay, C. Spread throughout the entire tongue and throat. Okay, this is the taste receptor. Okay, location. 79. Which of the following statements about taste and smell is true? A. Smell receptors are more sensitive than taste receptors. B. Taste receptors can detect vapors from distant sources. C. Taste receptors are more sensitive than smell receptors. D. Smell and taste receptors function identically. Okay, A. Smell receptors are more sensitive than taste receptors. Okay, so smell receptors can detect airborne molecules from distant sources, while taste receptors require direct contact with the chemical in the mouth. 80. What type of tissue covers the surface of the tongue? A. Cartilage. B. Mucosa. C. Carotene. D. Synovial membrane. Okay, B. Mucosa. Okay, mucosa is the tongue covered with the moist pink tissues called the mucosa. Okay, which contain the taste buds and sensory receptors. 81. What is the primary function of the nasal conchae or turbinates? A. Producing mucus. B. Filtering blood. C. Warming and filtering inhaled air. D. Enhancing vocalization. C. Warming and filtering inhaled air. Okay. 82. The olfactory bulb is located in which part of the brain? A. Cerebellum. B. Forebrain. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Occipital lobe. Okay, B. Forebrain. The forebrain, the olfactory bulb in the forebrain, where it processes the smell information before sending into the brain. 83. How do olfactory receptor cells detect smells? A. They capture light waves and convert them into nerve impulses. B. They recognize molecules that fit into receptor sites like a lock and a key. B. They analyze the acidity of air particles. D. They detect sound vibration in the nasal cavity. B. They recognize molecules that fit into receptor sites like a lock and key. 84. Which of the following is not a function of the nose? A. Detecting odors. B. Filtering inhaled air. C. Enhancing speech production. D. Producing saliva. Okay, D. Producing saliva. Okay, while the nose plays the role in respiration and olfaction, saliva production is controlled by the salivary glands in the mouth. 85. Why is the sense of smell important for survival? A. It helps identify the dangerous substances. B. It controls balance and coordination. C. It regulates the heartbeat. D. It assists in blood oxygenation. A. It helps identify dangerous substances. Okay. 86. What is the function of the lacrimal gland? A. Controlling eye movement. B. Focusing light onto the retina. C. Producing tears for lubrication. D. Detecting changes in light intensity. Okay, C. Producing tears for lubrication. Okay, this is lacrimal gland. Produce tears that keep the eye moist and flush out the debris. 87. The primary role of the cornea is to A. Detect colors. B. Control pupil size. C. Refract light onto the retina. D. Protect the optic nerve. C. Refract light onto the retina. Okay, the cornea bends incoming light to focus it on the retina for clear vision. 88. What part of the eye controls the diameter of the pupil? A. Retina, B. Cornea, C. Iris, D. Optic nerve. A. C. Iris. The iris adjusts the pupil sizes of the to regulate how much light enters the eye. 89. The eyelashes and eyebrows primarily functions to A. Improve peripheral vision, B. Keep sweat and debris out of the eyes, C. Assist with focusing objects, D. Control eye movement. B. Keep sweat and debris out of the eyes. Okay. 90. What is the function of the conjunctiva? A. It transmits signals to the brain. B. It protects the eye from the foreign objects and fixtures. C. It controls the movement of the eyeball. D. It adjusts the shape of the lens. B. It protects the eye from the foreign objects and fixtures. Okay. So the conjunctiva is a thin, transparent membrane that covers the eye and helps shield it from the dust and microorganisms ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ከነዚህ ፕሮቴክት የሚያደርግ ነው ይሄ ኮንጀክቲቫ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄ የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ነው ለፓርት 3 ማለት ነው። ፓርት 4 እና የመጨረሻውን በሚቀጥለው ይዘን እንቀርባለን። እስካሁን ባሉት ጥያቄዎች ዙሪያና ሌሎች አስተያየቶች ካለ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልን። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎችና ሌሎችም በርካታ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያግዝ የአጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። የጥያቄና መልስ መጽሐፍ ማለት ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ መግዛት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ኮንታክት አድርጉን። የመጽሐፉን ሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም ፒዲኤፍ ማለት ነው። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።